Hello and welcome to the Suffolk Fisherman. We're back. It's been so long, but we're back on the beach and we're back at Shingle Street and we've got ragworm and squid and we're going to fish and find you some fish. And yeah, so we're here. It's March. There's been a few reports of rays. Oh wow, he's doing a pendulum cast. That's cool. I can't do one of them. But anyway, looks like I've got a bite, so let's go reel it in. Whoa! Oh, mate, get a cab. Oh! It was heavy. Oh, there's something on there.
It's a whiting!
Tiny little whiting. Caught on the ragworm on a 2-hook flapper. Just like good old days, hey? Well, I'll get him unhooked and I'll chuck him back. Woo! 2-hook flapper, just flicking it out. Lovely. There you go.
Okay, alright, so we've set up here at Shingle Street, we've done our first couple of casts. Theo's landed a lucky whiting, me not so lucky, but yeah, we're just out here. I think Theo's just counted 14 tenths. That's mad. We're on fishing on a Saturday, high tide's at 1 PM, so it's actually 40 minutes away, so I'm hoping the fishing sort of comes up a bit. We saw some reports on Facebook, as you do. Someone was night fishing, had a few rays and a couple of dogs, a couple of old dogs, but at the minute we're just sort of playing the waiting game really. So we'll let you know when we get a fish. Yay.
Oh yeah, there's surface.
Oh, we've surfaced. Well, we're back. I had a nice bite on my ray rod, but it didn't really turn up to anything. Theo's fish has just surfaced. It's a double shot. Oh no! That's a double whammy there. So what you got there?
We got a whiting and one of these weird eel things, which is never a good sign when you're fishing.
No.
But it's nice to catch one again because I haven't caught one in a while.
Another new species this year. So I've just unhooked the eel pout for Theo. They're sometimes called rockling as well. I think that's I've got 3 beards. I don't know if you can see there, maybe. 3 bearded rockling. The tide's just coming high, which is good. So I'll just unhook this little guy. We'll get the whiting off, and hopefully we'll get you some more fish. Right after Theo's double whammy, I've just got a little whiting, quite thin. So he's caught on rag on the 2-hook flapper. Hopefully it's a sign of things to come. The tide's starting to come up now. I think the wind's picking up a little bit if you have a look at the waves. So we'll get this bad boy unhooked. Get some more fish for you.
Lovely.
Right, welcome back to Fishing Hour. This is my squid rod. This is pretty damn heavy actually. Whoa. Look at the bend on that.
Oh wow, yeah. It's got to be a ray or a dogfish at least.
I think it's a rat. Just got a photo bombed by Neo. Oh, it's fighting.
Oh. Go slow, don't lose it please. It's a ray! Hey! Nice! There we go!
That's the first ray of 2026. Right, so I've just had this little fawny on some squid. I had a big bite earlier off camera and I reeled it in, I must have missed it, but I saw a couple of little knocks, left it for about 10 minutes before we got photobombed by Neo, and now we caught this one. So
nice.
let's pop her back.
4.1 pounds.
Yeah, we just weighed it off camera, 4.15 pounds. Off she goes.
Big old fat fish on here.
Might be a dog. High tide is now well and truly sprung,
Feels heavier than the last week.
and we're getting some good fishing. That's very nice. It's very reassuring after a few months off the job. Whatever that is. That's a huge pout. That's a nice. Hang on. That's a lovely pout there.
That's the biggest pout I've ever had.
Look at that. So what have they caught on?
Ragworm. Look at that. That's amazing.
That's a nice pout.
Get the tape measure out.
Whiting. Yeah, right. Back in a minute.
So what is it? It's a pouting.
Pouting.
Oh, that's a big one for a pouting, I suppose. 30 centimetres.
Lovely job. Right, we're back to fishing hour. See what we got here. Whiting on the squid. Oh, you're on a pennel.
Yeah. Luckily, nicely hooked.
That's
Chuck them straight back. Lovely job. Nigel would approve.
It certainly would. Back he goes. Lovely. Now let's check rod number 2. So this one might be another whiting.
It's gotten a bit heavier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's a double white.
Oh, we'll take a double whiting.
There is a double white.
Oh, lovely job.
Lovely.
It's on our rag. That's a new species of a session though.
Yeah.
Should we weigh it? So what happened there?
Oh, I got into a snag. My line was going right that way and I was into a snag, so I walked up the beach with it and I managed to free it. It turned out this guy was there. He must have dragged me into something.
It's a nice old dog actually. Right, so thank you for watching so far. We've had a good old few fish. You've had a dogfish, nice big pout, and a thornback ray. We're just using up the last of our squid and some worms, so we'll give it a few more casts and just see what goes on. We're fighting a northeasterly wind at the minute, but it's not too bad. It's only about sort of 7 miles an hour. You've probably seen in some of the B-roll, massive amount of fishermen down there, just to the left near the car park. There's like 10 tents all sort of right up. But if anyone's watching this video who's been fishing today here, hopefully you've had some luck. We've done alright so far. We're going to try and come back, and what a way to start the year off as well, with a nice ray. So hopefully catch some more for you. What do we have here then? What's just happened here?
Oh, just got a massive pull down on this rod. Oh wow. What that was.
That's a good bend in the rod there.
Is that a ray? Something. That's fucking cool.
But literally saw that with our own eyes there, didn't we? That's great.
Yeah. It's not really fighting much, it's just a dead big wave that makes me think
It's a ray.
And this is on the ragworm rod.
No, it's not.
Yeah. So I've got to be careful because the hook's smaller.
So this is good. Right, you can catch rays on sort of any baits, really.
Yeah, it's not far out either, really. It probably looks worse as well because this is a very
broomstick.
bendy rod.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure that's
for I don't know what that rod is.
That's the one that Toy's dad got me. Shout out to Toy's dad.
Oh, you know it is that one, isn't it?
He gave me this rod.
So this is this on just a flapper? It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, let's pull it back.
Ooh. Yes! That's a nice one. Right, we'll get that one unhooked and we'll get back to you.
Hello there. Just had a lovely Suffolk Ray Mondo, and it's just about beat Lewis's one because it's 4.7, was it?
Yeah.
Like that. So just about.
Crafty.
But yeah, nice ray. Just sort of lovely Lovely bite for it. Saw it, the rod tip just bend down. I struck in straight away, and there he was. So let's go pop him back. Woo! So just on the end.
Gone.
Lovely. Very happy.
Welcome back to Fishing Hour. Just went for another reel in. Oh, I think I got a double shot on white. Thought I could feel a bit of head shakes from an old dog, but alas, just a couple of whiting. I think they're getting a bit bigger. That bottom one's not a bad size, but what we call a washing line of whiting.
That's just joined up whiting.
Joined up whiting, absolutely. Just chatted to our little neighbour who watches the videos, so had a good little catch up. We're back out filming. We'll get these two back and see what we get next. Well,
that's a nice. It's one of the bigger ones of today.
Yeah, one of the bigger ones. As they say, the mighty whiting keep on. But there's a parasite on it. Look at its lip.
Parasite.
Oh. What have you got there, Theo?
I've got a lovely little baby dogfish. Look at that, isn't he cute?
Hello! Welcome to the Suffolk Fisherman Show! Yeah!
Fucking weirdos. Right, let's chuck him back.
Wait.
Yeah, it's a ray.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Oh my god, ray number 2. Yeah, micro ray.
It's a male.
So what?
It's a male.
A male? Oh yeah, you can see the claspers. Right, well, we'll get him unhooked. Give him a little weigh. He's only gone and done it.
Oh, second ray for me. Third of the day for me and Lewis. And it's a male this time, slightly smaller, 3.5 pounds. So yeah, that's on the squid this time. So I'm going to chuck him back now.
Off he goes. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's floating. Coming back.
Just make sure that goes back okay, and we'll see you on the next fish. Well, I think Theo's got another fish.
Don't know what it is, but it's a fish.
Oh, doggy.
Single kangaroo fish.
Oh my god, there's 3 there.
That's a bass.
Is it? Oh, there you go, that little silver bar.
How have I got 3 fish with 2 hooks?
A strange occurrence has just occurred.
That is a strange occurrence.
What's going on there?
I've got 3 fish.
So, what?
I don't know how I done that. The dogfish isn't hooked. It's just caught up in the...
Oh, lovely. So silver bar, dogfish, and a whiting, all on a 2-hook flapper.
There's the whiting.
He's gone. Now I've got to deal with this mess. So nice little silver bar there. Only small, but the first one of the year for us.
Yeah, and another species for the day.
Absolutely.
We'll just chuck it back.
Just got to deal with the dogfish.
The poor dogfish that didn't get hooked but got tangled in my line. Just a little one.
Getting back.
Here we go.
Well, after Theo's triple fish, I might have a dogfish. That was a strange occurrence, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's a dogfish.
Have you had a dogfish today?
No, not today.
Alright, it's got to be, surely. Oh, it's a whiting. Up he comes.
Just a whiting. That's a shame. I put a couple of we've not got a very big ragworm today, so I thought I'd layer a few of them up on this pulley rig. But it's just a whiting. Oh well.
We've had many of them, haven't we?
We have rats of the ocean. But we'll get him back, and hopefully I'll catch a dogfish. We'll see. Right, so drone's doing a circle around us. I just had a little nibble on my blue rod. The fishing's becoming quite scarce now, and there's not too much going on. Just getting my last drone shots. I think it might be time to last chance saloon and pack up Patrick if Theo's happy with that. Yeah. Just it's a baby dogfish.
Oh, it's a tiny, tiny dogfish.
That's probably the smallest one I've ever caught. Look at that, it's like a little donut. Dilly little thing. Well, it's another new species for me for the session. So we'll get him unhooked. Probably do a last chance saloon if you're happy.
Yeah.
And do an outro if we catch any fish, etc, etc. But lovely little doggo.
Right, it's the last chance saloon. You know what that means? It's the last cast saloon. We're going to send it out one last time for one last fish. Yeah. Which is what? Lovely. That's the last chance, that one. Hello there. Well, we did our last chance saloon. The camera messed up so you didn't get to see mine, but I had one last whiting. And we've all packed up, Patrick. As you can see, all packed up. We're going to head home. It's getting rather cold with a northeasterly breeze by the sea. So yeah, we're going to pack up and go home. But it's been a very good session. We've had rays, lots of whiting, a few dogs, a little eel pout, a nice pouting, a little bass. I think that's it. But yeah, so it's been very good. 6 different species and plenty of fish really, so lovely. Till next time.